How do you know if it's actually time to replace your mattress? Well, if you're watching this video, you probably already realize that it is time because something's not right. What you want to consider is that the average mattress lasts, no matter what the warranty claim is, lasts about between 7 to 10 years, with 8 being an actual average. Good indicators for you that you need to replace the mattress are it's simply not supporting you, it's not bouncing back like it used to. When you get up in the morning, you feel sore and then that goes away after a short period of time. Those are all indicators that you really need to replace the mattress. When you get your new mattress, though, there are things you can do that will greatly enhance its longevity. One, no matter what the manufacturer's instruction, you should be rotating the mattress for even wear. It's very important. And probably the most important thing is to use a breathable, waterproof protection product like the Protect-A-Bed product offered at Mancini Sleepworld. What these products do is keep the mattress from accruing moisture over time, which is the #1 thing that kills the upholstery on a mattress and causes it to start caving in. If you've ever taken a cotton ball and gotten it wet and squeezed it out and let it dry out, do you know what it doesn't do? It does not pop back up. Your mattress is the same. This is why when you invest in your new mattress, please invest in a new breathable waterproof protector.